Hi guys, welcome to our tech tutorial. Whether you lost your mobile phone, or you accidentally deleted your contacts, or by any reason else, this video will help you to restore them easily in only 2 steps. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our new updates. Firstly, open any of your web browsers such as Google Chrome. Type this address in the search bar. Then click on Search button. Select any of your Facebook account, or tap Login to another account if you don't see your account. Enter your login password and click Login. Now tap on Home button at the top left corner. Then type this address in the search bar. Click on Search button after you finish typing it. The next page displays all your lost mobile contacts. Click on any contact to fully display it. Hope this video helped you in finding your lost contacts. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.